Hello, welcome to Crowded Lab channel. Today I will do review and demo of ReImagine. This is a really simple tool that will help you generate similar images right from your browser. When you will install the Chrome extension, you will get a menu by right-click where you can invoke the plugin and do actions which you can see right now. You can generate similar image, remove background, remove text, and enhance resolution. They tell that they are alternative to Canva, but I think it's not the right comparison because this tool is more like an image generator which is embedded into your browser. The tool is really simple. It is like your little companion in the browser. I can compare it to a word counter. Imagine you want to know how many words I selected. There is a small plugin for that called Word Counter Plus. And here is the information about the number of words. In a similar way, when you see an image on the web, you can invoke ReImagine plugin and do some actions like generate similar images. AppSumo deal structure is pretty straightforward. For one code, you get 2,000 AI credits monthly, and it means you can do 2,000 actions. And actions could be generating similar images, remove background, remove text, or enhance resolution, or replace a background. ReImagine tool just recently came to AppSumo, and it just got one positive review, which actually reveals one of the potential use cases for this tool. We can see that this user points out that this tool can be a great help when you're in print-on-demand business. And to give you the example, you can go to Etsy website, find the best-selling products, and then you can get inspiration from some design, do a right-click, call ReImagine plugin, and generate similar images, or enhance resolution, or remove background. And similar use case you can imagine with Redbubble website. Like you find a design that you like, you would like to get inspired by the design, and can generate a similar image. Just a quick look at their main website. Here it is. This is their regular pricing. For $10 a month, you get 100 credits, and you have a free plan as well to do 20 actions per month. To sign up, you just simply put your email address here, and you will receive a link to a Chrome extension. The installation is pretty easy. In one click, you will see this kind of prompt. And now, let's actually jump into the test of the tool. For this image, let's try to generate a similar one. Let's go. And here it is. We can save it through the menu. And here it is, our generated image to the right. Behind the scenes, this tool uses Stable Diffusion model to produce AI-generated images. We can see similar bike with some artifacts. Okay, let's try some other use cases. And now let's try to remove text. Let's go. ReImagine tool did great removing the text. We can save the image, and here it is. Let's test another use case with removing the background. Let's go. And the tool did exactly what I wanted. Let's save the image. Here it is. Actually looks nice. So now you can use this image without a background in any design tool of your choice. Here is example in Canva. Let's do another test and generate similar image for abstract forms. Imagine you would like to put this into your t-shirt design, or you can use similar design in a wall poster. Let's call the menu and generate similar design. Let's save the image, and here it is. It is really similar, a bit different style, though the tool did provide great picture. Let's do another test, and in this case, let's enhance the resolution. Let's go. Here it is. Let's save it. Well, in general, I think the tool did great. There is some artifact here, though overall resolution was increased. Alright, that's it. Let me conclude my final thoughts about this tool. In general, I like the idea behind this tool, that it is very simple and that the tool focuses on several small tasks. In cases that I tested, it worked well with removing background. I think it will work well here if background separates well the object. Removing text worked well when I removed the text from a post sign. Enhanced resolution feature worked fine as well. It produced high resolution with some small artifacts which are not critical. And regarding similar image generation, I think the main feature. In this case, as I mentioned before, this tool is using stable diffusion model behind the scenes. And in this case, in my opinion, this tool will work better with generating similar abstract images, because when I tried to generate a bicycle, it produced similar bicycle, but with some artifacts. I think the tool has its potential, especially if they will add more advanced models, maybe improved stable diffusion or different one. So that concludes the video. Check the link in the description to get this tool. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.